Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about book evaluation in lesson 3 MS Excel. First word D words predefined PREDEFINED predefined. Once again predefined DEFINED predefined. Second word is particular PARTICULAR particular. Third one is absolute ABSOLUTE absolute. Fourth one is relative RELATIVE relative. Fifth one Dan Bricklin Dan Bricklin BRICKLIN Dan Bricklin. Next word is condition CONDITION condition. Next one is formula FORMULA formula. Ninth word is rectangular RECTANGLE rectangle. Once again saying RECT ANGLE angle rectangle. Last word is filter FILTER filter. Second one is fill in the blanks. Every cell has name called address. Address ADDRESS address. An absolute address is specified by using dollar sign. How to write dollar sign? Yeah, likewise we have to write it. You can apply filters to only one range on the worksheet at a time. Fourth one, to see the rows after applying the filter, click clear command. Spelling for clear, CLEAR, clear. Each rectangle in the worksheet is called area. $B $4 is an absolute addressing. $B $4 is an absolute correction. Dash function returns the largest value in the given set of range. Max function. Dash function returns the smallest value in the given set of range, means min. What is the function of sum? We have to add all the numbers. Is summation of given number is called sum. Dash function counts the number of cells that contain numeric data. Count function counts the number of cells that contains numeric data. Identify the icon to sort the data based on several criteria, A to Z or Z to A. Sort means the process of arranging data in either ascending order or descending order. Ascending order means A to Z, descending order means Z to A. Identify the icon used to filter a data. This icon is used to filter the data. MS Word is an electronic spreadsheet. Say true or false? False. MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet, means true. Data stored in individual address. This is true. TRUE, true. Second one is true. The answer is given as false. Students, change the answer. At the bottom left area of the spreadsheet, you will find the worksheet tabs. True. Excel can perform calculation on the data using formula. True. By default, 4 worksheet tabs appear each time to create area worksheet. Default எத்தனை worksheet இருக்கும்? 3 worksheets are there. Then only it will be a true. Next one. Expand the following. GB, gigabyte, Gigea, gigabyte, byte, gigabyte. Second one is FS, file system, FILE, file, STM, stem, file system. Third one is NOS, network operating system, NET, net, WORK, network operating, OPERATING, operating system, STEM, stem, network operating system. PDF, portable document format, PORT, port, ABLE, able, document, DOCU, document, MENT, document, format, FOR, for, MAT, mat, portable document format. Next, DFD, data flow diagram, DA, data, FLOW, flow diagram, 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 data flow diagram. Match the following. Excel worksheet, tab, move forward, range, group of cell is called range, cell address A4, cell formatting. Once again repeat the match the following. Excel worksheet, tab, move forward, range, group of cells, cell address A4, cells formatting. Answer the following question. What is meant by cell reference? When the cell address is used as a part of a formula, this is called cell reference. When the cell address is used as a part of a formula, this is called cell reference. There are 3 types of cell reference in Excel. The 3 types of cell addressing are relative addressing, absolute addressing, and mixed addressing. 3 types of addressing are relative addressing, RELATIVE, relative, absolute, 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 mixed, MIXED, mixed. Define function. Function is predefined formula to perform some particular operation. A function is predefined formula to perform some particular operation. For example, equal to SUM, sum 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? 1 plus 2 plus 3. We have to add this function. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. What is the given function? Sum function. Sum means what? We have to add the arguments inside. What is given in the bracket? Number, we have to add it. 1 plus 2 plus 3. The result will be 6. What are the points to be kept in mind while using function? The function must always begin with equal sign. All function has 2 parts. The 2 parts of function are function name, argument. Once again I am saying, name the points to be kept in mind while using function. Function must always begin with equal symbol. The all function has two parts. The two parts of functions are what? Function name, argument. Function name spelling function, function name name, name. Argument argument. What is argument? Given function within the bracket values is called argument within parentheses. List out some statistical functions available in AutoSum command. Sum, average, count, max, min. Once again, list out the statistical function as sum, average, count, max, min. What is meant by sorting? Sorting means to arrange data either in ascending or descending order. For example, in your class there are 30 students. The names are not alphabetic order. We have to arrange it means we can use the sort function. Not only the text box, we can use the number also. If you need ascending, you can click the ascending icon, sort icon A to Z. Descending icon means Z to A. What is meant by filtering? Filtering is a quickly to find a set of data in a range. What is filtering? Filtering is a quick way to find the set of data in a range. Who is called the father of electronic spreadsheet? Don Brickling. DONBRICKLIN. What is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is the feature that allows you to format the data in the worksheet depending on the condition specified. Conditional formatting is a feature that allows you to format the data in the worksheet depending on the condition specified. Condition formatting na enna solren parma. இப்போ கிளாஸில் 30 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா 30 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட மார்க்கை நம்ம டைப் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டு அதில் those who are got above in all subject 90 we have to find it means using conditional format we can write it and apply the conditional format we can get the desired result. Write a note on today function in MS Excel. It displays current date. The syntax for this today function is equal to TODAY. All functions should start with formula. What is the today date means it will display the today date. For example, I am writing first as month 12, day வந்து 1 2020. How many rows and columns are there in MS Excel? The rows will be 10,48,578. Rows எவ்வளோமா 10,48,578. Column 16,384. Use the syntax for if function equal to if open parenthesis condition comma true comma false. Once again saying syntax for if function equal to if condition true comma false. The condition is true, the true will be executed. If the condition is false, the false will be executed. For example, if a greater than 50 means the value of a is greater than 50, now 150 will be assigned, otherwise 100 will be assigned. How to view the spreadsheet in print preview? Left click the Microsoft Office button, select print option, third one select print preview, fourth step close the print preview button. Once again, how to view the spreadsheet in print preview? Left click the Microsoft Office button, select the print option, step 3 select print preview, close the print preview button. How to change the paper size in MS Excel? Select the page layout, click the size command, select the size option from the list. Once again, select the page layout, click the size command, select the size option from the list. Find the following output for the following program. Sum means what we have to add. Given number in the parent should be added. 12 plus 34 plus 54. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 2 10. Remainder 1. 5 plus 3 8. 9 plus 1 10. What is the answer? First function 100. Second one is average. 12 comma 35 comma 56. Average means we have to add it and divide by total numbers. What is the given number? 12, 35, 56. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Remainder 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 103. 103 divided by 3 means we can get 34.3. 103. This 3 threes are 9. Remainder 6. Total numbers what is given? 3. 3 threes are 9. Remainder 1. 13. 4 threes are 12. Remainder we cannot divide, so we got to keep it point. Again 3 threes are 9. It will go on. So 34.33. SQRT of 25. By using SQRT function we have to know the table. What is the table? 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 six are 36, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 9 nines are 81, 10 tens are 100. What is the value of square root of 25? 5 5s are 25, so we have to write 5. Power of 2 comma 3. Power 2 comma 3 is 2 3. What is this meaning? Means the number 2 has been written as 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Next, mod function. Mod function returns the remainder of a given two numbers. What is given? 6 comma 3. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder? 0. The mod function returns the remainder of a given two numbers. Next, int. What is int? 4. Min function 4 comma 5 comma 2. What is the minimum function here? Min function. What is the minimum value? 4 comma 5 comma 2. Out of 3 number, which is minimum? 2. So the answer is 2. Next, maximum 43, 42, 24. What is the maximum number? 43, 42 and 24. Which is the maximum number? 43 is the maximum number given set of 3 numbers. So 43 is the answer. Next, int. What is the int function? It will truncate the decimal point. What is the int for? 12.36. It will truncate the after decimal point. What is the answer given before the decimal point? 12. Next, sine of 45. The sine function SGN of 45 is, the number is positive, answer will be 1. The number is negative, SGN of minus 75. The number is negative means it will return as minus 1. Next one, sine function equal to SGN of 0. 0 means it will return 0. SGN வந்து பொறுக்கு sine function If the value of inside the parenthesis is positive means it return 1. If the value is negative, it return minus 1. Sign of 0 means 0. ABS. ABS is nothing but absolute value. If for example, ABS of minus 45. The negative will be truncated. It will be the answer is 45. If the ABS of likewise ABS of positive number given means as it is you have to write it. ABS function is to truncate the minus negative value. Next left function. What is given in double quotes? The string constant. String constant is nothing but whatever is given in double quote is called string constant. But Ramesh RAMESH from the left 3. What is the left letter in Ramesh? RAMESH. From the left we have to count 3 letters because comma 3 given no 1, 2, 3. We have to write the answer in this order. What is the answer? RAM. It is given in capital letter. You have to write it in capital letter. Suppose you are giving small letters, you should write the answer in small letter. Suppose they are given in both the letters means we have to what is given in the question you have to write it ma. Next right function extract the strings from the rightmost of the character. Adhe same name the double quotes la Ramesh. என்ன இருக்கு 4 letters RAMES. Sorry, once again. RAMESH. From the right 1, 2, 3, 4. While reading, you have to read it from the left to right. What is the answer? MESH. Next, cos 0 வந்து 1. Quotient per 7 divided by 2. What is the quotient? 7 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. What is the quotient? 3. 7 divided by the quotient is 3. So quotient function return the quotient of given two numbers. Next question Parma. Explain conditional formatting with another. Conditional formatting is the feature that you to format data in the worksheet depending on the conditions specified. For example, to display Tamil mark greater than 50. First open the worksheet. Open the worksheet பண்ணிட்டேனா type the data. Step 3 click home tab on the ribbon. Step 4 click conditional formatting from the styles group. Select the required option. Type the value. Choose the formatting style you need. Click OK button. Thank you, ma.